In this video, we'll take a closer look at Symmetry in Shapelab, designed for symmetrical editing consistently across the entire toolset. Shapelab uses a single, shared symmetry reference space across all tools. This means every symmetry-based operation, sculpting, creating geometry, mirroring, or cloning, follows the exact same spatial reference. You define the symmetry center once, and the entire workflow respects that choice. You can choose from 4 reference spaces to define where symmetry is calculated. Global aligns symmetry to the center of the scene, the world origin. Local aligns symmetry to the active object's origin and orientation. Parent uses the active object's parent as the symmetry center. Custom allows you to select any object in the scene to act as the symmetry reference point. Whichever option you choose becomes the active symmetry space for the entire application. All sculpt brushes respect the selected symmetry space. Create and Scene Voxel Draw also follow the same reference. This guarantees that mirrored brushstrokes and newly created geometry always align perfectly within the same coordinate system. The Mirror and Weld tool automatically adopts the active symmetry reference plane. There's no need to manually reconfigure settings. You can sculpt symmetrically and instantly apply Mirror and Weld along the exact same plane without guesswork. Clone and mirror operations also obey the unified symmetry system. This ensures object duplication is perfectly aligned to the same symmetry coordinates used for sculpting and scene tools.